Intro to rational numbers. To simplify rational numbers, you want to find the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. So let's think of the greatest common factor of 15 and 20. That would be 5. So if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5, we will simplify to negative 3/4. Let's look at number 2. The GCF of 6 and 18 would be 6. So let's divide both the numerator and denominator by 6. When we simplify, 6 divided by 6, we get 1, and negative 18 divided by 6 would be negative 3. So negative 1/3. The last one, negative 21 over 35, the greatest common factor there would be 7, and that simplifies to negative 3/5. Equivalent fractions. Now to make equivalent fractions, you want to take a look and see what we're missing. The only way I could figure it out is see the relationship between 2 and 16. Mathematically, what operation can I use to 2 to get to 16? That would be 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. So negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. Let's take a look at number 2. What operation do we have to do to get from 4 to 8? Let's multiply by 2. Whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. And negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Now number 3 is a little bit different because it's working backwards. I have to ask myself, how do I get from negative 21 to negative 7? That would be dividing by 3. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. Now the way we have to do this is we're going to do 12 divided by 5. So if you remember your long division, we take a look, 5 can go into 12 for 2. That's going to be your whole number. We have a remainder of 2 out of 5. And don't forget to keep the negative. So the answer there is negative 2 and 2/5. Okay, let's look at the next one, negative 4/3. If we perform long division, it looks like this. 3 can go into 4 one time with a remainder of 1 out of 3. And let's not forget the negative. So here, negative 4/3 is equal to negative 1 and 1/3. All right, let's take a look at the last one, converting a mixed number into an improper fraction. So we want to do the around the world method here. So if I take the denominator, multiply it by the whole number, and add to the numerator, we'll get negative 9 and keep the same denominator out of 4. It's the same thing that you're used to, we just have to make sure to add that negative. And the last one, 5 times 4 plus 3, which is 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23, over 5, so negative 23/5.